Hello, beautiful twin flames. So this is going to be a very special series where we are clearing out on the deepest possible level all that does not serve your divine union. And we are bringing in light codes to both you and your twin flame to activate this unconditionally loving energy within you, your deepest soul calling, your life purpose, without the karma and the low density energies that you have been carrying around with you. And so this is something I'm doing in addition to the collective light code activation series. Different energies will be coming through. And so I do encourage you to, if you are guided and if you have time to listen to both of these series, it will definitely benefit you. If you do happen to be new to my videos, I'm an energy healer and a channel, and this will be non-guided. As I stated in the other video, the energy that's coming through, there are no words for it because it's on a level that is beyond what we have human words for. So in just a moment, I will go into a pure energy channeling. And as I described before, I see it kind of like a fire hose for you and your twin flame individually, but also the collective dense energy that you've created between the both of you. It's all being washed away through this series. You are both then being activated and aligned to divine union. This is a higher consciousness union. And that is what we have been healing and preparing for. And so as you are aligned to that through the light code activation, also your life purpose and your divine mission being in union is going to be activated within you. And so there's a very strong chance that you will either get intuitions during this session or you're going to get a lot of guidance after this series that's going to lead you exactly to where your souls most want you to be. So I hope that all makes sense. You have the easy part. All you have to do is surrender and allow. Let all the old fall away and let the new, true you evolve, emerge. Bring your twin flame into your mind's eye. Set the intention to connect with them intuitively and on a heart level. If you watch the Lionsgate session I did, the portal of your heart is opening, and this is going to be where this healing and light code activation is entering both of your beings. So connect with them on a heart level now. Take a few deep breaths just to surrender. I will be silent for the next 8 minutes, and I will let you know when this energy activation is complete. this session is now complete. I forgot to mention I'm going to be pulling one oracle card, and this is going to be from the Oracle of the Seven Energies by Colette Baron-Reid. So it is a different card book. It's not for twin flames. It's for energy. But I was guided to pull from these cards for twin flames. So if you want to listen to your message, the card that I pulled for today is Healing the Heart. And it's number 23, if that resonates with anybody, which equals 5, which equals a big change. And so the book says, the key concepts of this card and energy are healing, making amends, the willingness to release past pain, being responsible and accountable, taking time to get healthy, renewal, and rebirth after suffering. When you are wounded emotionally, you need time to regroup and find your center. No matter what the cause of your heartache is at this time, deep healing is called for. This happens on its own timetable, can never be rushed. The path to healing the heart centers on reciprocity, the flow of giving and receiving. Sometimes wounding occurs because we've become too dependent on another, and this is accompanied by the desire to manipulate or control. Both wounding and healing usually begin within, not from other outer conditions of our lives. We often believe we can be wounded only by others, but we do more damage to ourselves in the self-sabotaging way that we think and behave. It is important to take the steps to heal yourself and become willing to release the pain of the past, which can be tempting to revisit. It's time to take responsibility for your part in your healing journey. Look for ways you can help yourself and others. Are you willing to make amends if needed? Healing the heart in all aspects is your priority right now. Nothing else matters. Only beauty and goodness will come as a result. And so for me, the energy really of this card, other than the obvious, allowing your heart to heal, is examining any past wounds that you are still holding on to and letting those go. And that's a lot of what was coming through in this session. And so throughout the rest of your day, if they come up, tune into your heart. Ask your heart what it needs. Call in this healing energy and allow these wounds to be healed. Allow the expectations from past wounds, the thought patterns, the defensive behaviors from all the times that your heart was hurt to be healed today. Or to start this healing today, depending on where you are in your journey. Alright, so that is all I have for you. I will do 3 more in this series. And if you enjoyed the non-guided, I do have a union alignment activation I feel is incredibly beneficial for those who are guided to it. I'll link to that below and other healings. I'm sending you all so much love and light. I'll talk with you next time.